We're always hearing about a balanced diet, right? But what does that even mean? It's not about some complicated set of rules or counting every single calorie. Today, we're going to break down the simple foundation for building a healthier plate, starting right now.
So let's kick things off by tackling a really common misunderstanding about how food actually works for us.
It really all boils down to this one question. When we talk about being healthy and having energy, is just, eating food, any food, actually enough?
And the answer is a pretty clear no. See, being healthy isn't just about filling your stomach, it's about fueling your body with the right combination of foods. Honestly, this one little shift in how you think about it is the key to everything. And that leads us straight to what a balanced diet really is. It's getting a variety of foods in the right amounts. Think about your body like a high-performance team. You need a bunch of different players who all have different skills, all working together. That's how you make sure your body gets all the different nutrients it needs to really function at its best.
So it really just comes down to these three key ideas. First, you need variety, because, hey, no single superfood can do it all. Second, you gotta have the right quantity, because how much you eat definitely matters. And third, when you get those two right, they work together to meet your body's daily needs for energy, repair, and protection. It all just clicks into place.
Okay, so that all sounds good in theory, but how do you actually do it without needing a degree in nutrition? Well, luckily, there's a super simple framework that's based on 3 core food pillars. Instead of getting lost trying to track dozens of different nutrients, we can simplify everything by sorting all the food we eat into just 3 main functional groups.
And here it is. This is basically the whole strategy on one slide. First, you've got your energy-giving foods. This is your fuel. Think cereals, rice, wheat, and healthy oils, the stuff that actually gets you through the day. Then you have the bodybuilding foods. These are like the construction crew for your body. Milk, eggs, meat, they help you grow and repair everything from muscles to cells. And finally, you have your protective foods. These are your body's defense system, all your fruits and vegetables, loaded with vitamins and minerals to help you fight off getting sick.
So, we've got these 3 pillars. Now what? How do we actually use them to build a better plate of food? Let's turn this idea into a simple, practical strategy you can use every day.
It's really just a simple 3-step process for every meal. First, mix the groups. Just make sure your plate has something for fuel, something for building, and something for protection. Second, try to add in seasonal foods. Why? Because they're fresher, they taste better, and they're packed with nutrients. And finally, just do a quick check on your balance. Are the portions right? And that's it. But, and this is a big but, that perfect plate isn't going to look the same for everyone. There's one final, absolutely critical layer we need to talk about: your personal blueprint. This is the simple truth of it all. The ideal balanced diet is completely dependent on you. What fuels a professional athlete is not going to properly fuel an office worker. And you know what? That's exactly how it should be. This just means your perfect diet is shaped by your age, your gender, how active you are, and your overall lifestyle. A growing teenager's nutritional needs are going to be totally different from a retiree's, so your plate should always reflect your life. So after all that, what's the one thing you should remember? Let's just boil it all down to a single, really powerful takeaway. If you walk away with just one thing, let it be this: a truly balanced diet is all about eating the right food, in the right amount for your specific needs,
And making sure you're getting that powerful mix from all 3 of those food groups. That's the entire formula right there.
So forget about trying to do a complete diet overhaul overnight. The real goal is just making small, consistent changes. With that in mind, just look at your next meal. What's one simple change, one little thing you can do to bring it into better balance?